mess, full bin, roof mess, a big pile of brick rubble and a busted heater, concrete and junk. Sometimes you look at this sort of stuff and you go, will we ever finish? All right, it's Friday, so you guys must be due for an update. So hope you're going really well. It's week 10, 12 weeks down for me, week 10 since the job started, and I've got 2 weeks left. Now, sorry the girls aren't here this week. I know that they make the videos a whole lot more fun, but bad luck, you just got me this week. We're actually going away, so first weekend that I won't be working here for a long time, so I'm looking forward to a bit of a break. But this week, probably the most productive since we did the flooring upstairs and the frames. So heaps of people on site again this week. We had perfect weather Monday to Thursday. Today's rubbish. Monday to Thursday, cracking. We had the roofers here Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. They were here from like, man, 6:30 till like 5, working really hard. This roof's been a real challenge for them, but they've done an excellent job. The roof is completely done. Basically, there's just a few bits of flashing down pipes. It's 95% done, which means we are watertight for the moment. We can work inside without water. And those of you who have been watching the updates for a while know that we have been looking forward to this for so long. So as you can see behind me, I can actually paint and leave things out to dry knowing they're not going to get wet. Upstairs, got all the windows out and a few weatherboards too, been painting up there as well. The skylights are in. They did our bedroom as well. We weren't, like I said last week, we weren't originally going to do that, but they have married it in perfectly. It looks great. They've flashed the tall parts and made sure it all blends in with the rest, and I just reckon it looks fantastic. So excited that that got done. That roof was really tired and needed to be upgraded. We did find a possum while we were taking the roof off. It's funny. Oh, there's a possum here. Oh, really? There's a possum in here. So yeah, that was a bit annoying because I think it's actually come back. So even with the new roof on, so that's a bit annoying, but I'll have to get onto that. So the roof was an incredible plus this week. So happy with that. I'll take you inside because we've actually done a lot of windows this week. So the windows are all in upstairs, and we've also put the windows in downstairs too. So we've got the two, this is the meals area, so the 2 windows there. We put in the bifold door frame as well. There's a highlight window that we've put in the lounge room there. That looks really great there. And also there are 2 skylights in the alfresco area, and they look great. You can hear probably a lot of rain at the moment. Rain's smashing down, so it's coming right down the roof. But this has been a huge plus this week with the roof and the skylights and the windows. It's just looking rad. So, and also I better take out the front because we've been tripping over stuff. We actually did a big cleanup because there's just mess everywhere at the moment. We have been doing a lot of weatherboarding, and if you have a look behind me, the place is really starting to come together at the front. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Oh yeah. So the roofers did all of that. Well, that wasn't there last week. We've done the windows up the top there. We've got colonial bars that go on the top, so I haven't put the sashes in yet because I've got to paint them all. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's looking really great. Actually, part of this area here was a really good learning situation for me. So Jean showed me how we do the angles of the weatherboards. So that was quite an intricate part of the whole process, but yeah, great to learn. And just again, like I said last week, so involved, and you've got to be so accurate, but it looks schmick when it's all done. So that's the update for this week. Hope you guys have a great school holidays. Big shout out to Zach, who's been commenting a lot and showing a lot of interest. So thanks, Zach. I'm glad you're enjoying the videos. I know a little while back you asked me why we cut up all the wood from that tree. And the reason is when you're splitting wood, you split wood up because we've got a wood fire. If you split it up into smaller pieces, dries quicker, burns a lot easier. So yeah, that as well. And you also asked, I think, how are we getting so much done? Are we taking any breaks? Something to that effect. So the answer to that is we do take breaks. So we start around about 7:30 every day and finish at about 4. And we have tea break at about 10 o'clock for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. And lunchtime's at 12:30. That's for about 15. So yeah, look, there's about 20-25 minutes of breaks a day. So we get around about 8.5 hours on a good day of work done. So it's pretty hard. It's hard work, but it's productive and it's very satisfying. So so thanks, Zach. Really appreciate all of your comments, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next term. Looking forward to seeing my class next term. I've got 2 weeks left, so I'm going to make the most of this time, and then I'm back at work and working here on the weekends. So yeah, everyone who's got kids at school, have a great school holidays. Enjoy the clips, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.